Hey friends, Susan here with Pumpkin Hill Stampers. Here's a project I created for the Stamping with Friends blog hop today, and our theme is accordion cards. So I'm going to give you a quick peek at what this one does. So here is the closed finished card, and I have a belly band holding it together because this one's a little bit thick with the different accordion folds that are happening here. When you slip off the belly band, this is what it looks kind of starting to open, but it's still kind of closed. The two sets of wings on the left and the right have accordion type hinges that help them open up. Here it is spread open just a little bit more. You can see there's the upper panel and then the inside panel, and then the inside reading is still slightly hidden. And then this is what it looks like completely opened up. You can see both sides open up like accordion folds so that we have this fun fold card to share with our special guide. So here it is again with the belly band showing. This was really fun to create, and I hope you'll come back and visit all the rest of the blog links in this hop today to see all the different types of accordion fold cards. If you're interested in making this fun fold as well, it's going to be featured in my August edition of my Fun Fold template class. So the links are below and on my blog if you want to sign up to participate. Hey everybody, I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, so for each sale I receive, I do send out a thank you kit card for you to put together on your own. And remember, you can subscribe to my newsletter. The links are below, along with my blog and my website. So don't be a stranger. Thanks for watching today. See you again.